Sure, you're right. Interracial problem. That's another huge problem that Babe and I have as an interracial couple. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. No bubbles, not right now. Hey guys, man, it's been such a long day for me. I have been up and about getting so much things done. I tried something new with my hair, which I think I'm loving. I always wanted to try I always do my hair like this with 2 braids, but of course my hair is not this long, so I added some braid at the end, and I think I really like the way it turned out. So I think this will be my new rock for a while until I get tired of this look. Anyway, baby's off to work, and he had to go to the doctor because his back is not feeling so well, and I've been telling him that he needs to go to the chiropractor. So he finally get an appointment, and he went today, and the chiropractor just set his back into place and stuff, so he should be okay, but he won't be able to work out for the next like 3 days or so. I said no and go and sit. He won't be able to work out for the next 3 or so days, which he'll be okay, he'll survive. Tell I need to take a nap. He haven't napped all day, so I'm actually ready and waiting on Babe to arrive. How many times do I say actually in this vlog? Actually, damn, I need to stop doing that. I am ready and waiting on Babe to come home so I can head out to work. I have to go to work for a few hours today, so that's what I'm about to do right now. So Baby's coming home to take care of Tyler because Tyler don't have daycare today. I really have a love-hate relationship with this time of the year because it's getting so cold out. It's going to be always rainy and wet and soggy, and oh, I have a love-hate relationship. I'm looking outside and it's raining right now, and I have to go out in this rain, and that's not cool. Okay, that's really not cool. I can't stop looking at myself with this hair in the mirror. You want a hug? Hug. Train. You want to say hi? Say hi. He just randomly asks for hugs and kisses these days. My sweet boy. Yeah. Oh. Oh, I love you. I love you. You're going to be a nice boy for Papa until Mama gets back? Huh? I didn't even get to work out today, but I won't even complain about it. So make sure you guys get your workout in. It doesn't matter what time of the day that you guys are watching this. Make sure you guys have an amazing day. Stay uplifted, stay positive, stay motivated, stay encouraged, and never give up. It doesn't really matter what it is that you're going through. Stay above negativity. Drop who needs to be dropped out your life. Cut off who needs to cut off out your life. You need to recognize and know when there's a cutoff point. At what point do you need to say to yourself, look, enough is enough. I need to take a stand to whatever it is. Whether it is that the fact that you want to lose weight and you're always putting it off, tell yourself that today is the day that you're gonna do it. Whether you want to go back to school and for some reason you keep putting it off, tell yourself that today you're going to get registered to go to school. Whatever it is that you want to do and you have been putting it off, tell yourself that today is the day you're going to find that good man, okay? All right, you guys, enough of my chit-chatting. I'm going to hang around, wait on babe, and then I'll head out to work.
Mwah.
Go, open the elevator. Good job. What are you doing?
Happy.
Happy. Job. This one. Bravo. You guys, look who is home.
Hi guys.
And taking me to work.
Yeah, it's raining outside, so
It's raining. New girl gotta go to work. And I don't feel like taking any bus. So babe's been nice and dropping me off work. Hat? We leave the hat inside. Yeah, we'll leave it inside. We didn't carry the hat.
I'm just gonna check the.
You're gonna check the bin to see if it's empty?
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't see you today, so I'm back home earlier today. Gonna take care of Tyler while babe's at work. From what she told me, Tyler been very miserable today, so hopefully gonna be nice for the next few hours. Well, didn't start well. You can hear him whining. When he saw babe leaving, he started to cry for about 5 minutes. So yeah, he's kind of quiet right now, but he was crying. So yeah, hopefully it will be nice. And maman elle revient tout à l'heure, Tyler, d'accord? Yeah, he's kind of sad, so I'm gonna try to keep him busy, okay?
B, C, D, E, F, G, I, J, K, A, M, N, O, P, O, S, D, U, B, W, S, Y, Z.
You know you're a smart boy. You know you're a smart boy.
W.
You know you're a smart boy. Like you can see, Tyler is kind of quiet now. Was watching TV, telling his alphabet. Yeah, we are now in his room playing together. Yes, Tyler, 4. Good job. So we are doing puzzle together. 5. Good job.
Y.
Why? Bravo.
Z.
Z. Bravo. Yeah, so Tyler knows his alphabet. The only thing is sometimes he say it in English, sometimes he say it in French. Oh, good job. Yeah, sometimes like you just say Z, that is in French. Sometimes you're gonna say Z, just that's the thing with him. You don't know which language is gonna talk. So for now, just having both, and I don't think he. Aye, good job. I don't think he really knows what is French or what English. He just use. I think when he's talking to me, he's P. Good job. When he's talking to me, using more French word, and when he's talking to baby, using more English word. So that's one thing that I'm sure about. But otherwise, it just. What is it? 8. Et en français, c'est combien? Tyler? 8? Show papa 8. Hmm? Non. Combien? 1 and in French. Un? Oui. Yeah, so we're just here playing together, and yeah, he's quiet, and that's the main thing. So I'm gonna try to keep him quiet, playing with him. Yes, you. And yeah, it's gonna be dinner time in about an hour. So yeah, let's just play together and see what's gonna happen after. Yes, Tyler. And
you guys, the joy of coming home when I'm not home and I return, and to see Tyler and this smile on his face and how happy he is, it just completely makes my day completely. And it's time for you to go to bed. Where is Blue?
yes, it's time, Tyler. Bed.
It's time for nap. It's time to go to sleep. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Blow them kisses.
Bye.
Give them a kiss. All right. Don't suck them in. All right, no.
It's getting chilly.
Cold.
Yeah.
Which means I like this time of year because it's my favorite time of year in terms of Christmas. There's just something about Christmas that I live for each and every year. I love Christmas. My absolute favorite time of year, but damn, the cold though.
You can't manage.
And I love the cuddles and all, but I just want the cuddles for one night, one day. It's just that when it's winter, I want to drink chocolate tea every night before I go to bed. Or if it's not chocolate tea, I want tetli. I want tea. I just want tea to make me warm. Stop! Don't do my hair like that.
Interracial problem.
Yes.
She don't want her hair to be touched.
No, it's not that I don't want it to touch. You're rubbing it and it doesn't go back in place like yours. Sure, you're right. Interracial problem. That's another huge problem that Babe and I have as an interracial couple. He just can't understand the hair thing. When he rubs his hand in his hair like that, his hair goes right back in place. But shawty, you do that to mine though. And it stays in the direction that you left it. If you rub it so, it's going to stay that way. If you put it forward, it's going to stay forward. Put it backward, it's not going to flip back forward. It's going to stay backward. You understand? Leave my hair alone. Don't touch my hair, okay? Anyway, you guys, we are going to go ahead and give you the Jamaican expression and the French expression for today. And since Babes want draw me tongue, that's going to be the Jamaican expression for tonight. No draw me tongue. If you hear a Jamaican say don't draw me tongue, this simply means don't provoke them to a situation where they have to cuss you out. Don't draw me tongue or not draw me out.
No, don't draw me tongue.
Right. Don't draw me tongue. Because if you draw me tongue, something bad is going to happen. I'm going to just cuss you out real good.
Yeah.
So that's the Jamaican expression for today. Not jam it on.
Not jam it on.
Right. What's the French word or expression?
It's gonna be a word today. You guys, I didn't feel good today. And
Oh, did you tell
go...
him you went to the doctor?
No, I had to go to the doctor because I felt since like 2-3 days I felt my back was blocking me and very painful, so I have to go emergency doctor today. So that's gonna be the French word for today. That's just gonna be dos. Dos as a human is the back. Say it.
Do.
Right, so that's gonna be the French word for today.
Okay, okay. Alright, you guys. So there you guys have the Jamaican expression and the French word for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Hey, alright, you guys, catch up and keep up. We love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below if it's your first time watching. Then what you need to do is subscribe. Subscribe, turn on your notification bell. We love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.
Bye.